Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to white label any service with GoHighLevel using its app marketplace. It's a simple way to offer third-party apps under your own brand and make them part of your services. But before we jump into the details, I've got a special offer for you. You see, normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link in the description below, you'll receive a 30-day free trial, and on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description below. Just click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. Again, it's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now, let's dive in. So first off, let's break down what white labeling means. It's when you take a product or a service made by someone else and then you put it into your own system and sell it as part of what your agency offers. Basically, it lets you present these tools as if they're your own. In practical terms, this means that you can provide your clients with powerful tools like local lead generation or AI-powered sales assistance without building those tools yourself. Furthermore, white labeling is a great option if you run an agency and you want to switch to software as a service or SaaS model. Instead of doing tasks like SEO or social media management by hand, you can offer your clients a platform that they can use themselves. Now, let's talk about how the app marketplace works. So when you log into your GoHighLevel agency account, you'll usually switch over to a sub-account where you want to install an app. Now, sub-accounts are like a workspace for each client. Once you're in a sub-account, you're going to go to the left menu and you're going to click on the App Marketplace tab. Now, this is where you're going to find different services that you can add to your GoHighLevel setup. Some are free and some come with a monthly fee. Now, once you're inside the App Marketplace, you'll see a variety of apps grouped by what they do. On the left sidebar, you can filter apps by category or price, so it's easier to find what you're looking for. There are 453 apps available. Now, these include everything from AI sales assistants to print-on-demand tools, WhatsApp integrations, and CRM upgrades. For example, there's a Printful, a tool that helps you add print-on-demand services to your business. It's great if you want to sell branded merchandise or help clients sell physical products without needing to handle inventory. There's also Map Leads, which uses AI to find local leads and automate prospecting. This is super helpful if your agency works with local businesses that need good leads to grow. Another app, Zapier by Curated Connector, connects your CRM to thousands of other tools. It makes automation easy so all your apps can work together smoothly. Now, if you're looking to enhance your email marketing services, you might consider AI Email Campaign Maker, which can generate thousands of personalized email campaigns. Similarly, Capri GPT is an AI-powered sales assistant that can help you streamline customer interactions. And one big plus of these apps is that they can be white labeled. Now, this means that you can add them to your GoHighLevel system and make them look like your own branded tools. Now, to get an app, just search for it in the marketplace, click on it, and follow the setup steps. It's that simple. Some apps are free, but others might need a subscription. So once you've installed the app, it becomes part of your agency's tools. Furthermore, you'll need to figure out how to charge your clients for using these white labeled services. Now, some agencies like to keep it simple with a monthly subscription, while others add fees based on usage. For example, if you're offering an AI lead generator that handles a set number of searches each month, you could create a tiered plan. Basic, Pro, and Premium options could allow for different amounts of lead searches, making it easy for clients to choose what works best for them. So if you're adding an SEO tool that costs $525 a month, you could resell it for $800 a month. This means that you'd make $275 in profit from each client every month. So over time, as you get more clients, clients, these monthly profits can really add up and turn into a solid revenue stream. Always be upfront with clients about what they're paying for. Make sure to highlight the benefits that they're getting, like better data, analytics, and results. So this kind of clarity helps build trust and it keeps clients happy, which is key for long-term relationships. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope that you found it helpful and informative. So if you want to give GoHighLevel a try, just click on the link in the description. If you use my affiliate link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you're going to gain free access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, where I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those first 30 days. And on top of that, you're going to get over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, all for free. Just click the link below to get started and claim your bonuses. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.